I was washing dishes and I am down to my last two items. And as usual, I always leave my pans for the last because they are usually the hardest to clean. So if you take a look at this pan here, I have this pad here where I'm trying to get this off. And this was bacon, by the way. And this is a pan that I bought, but I think the actual coating maybe is changing. That's why we're having a lot of residual food left behind. But I have Dawn Ultra Platinum Power Wash Dish Spray. It comes in a fresh scent and it has 473 milliliters or 16 fluid ounces. So what this does is breaks up the food particles on the dish and makes it easier to wipe and clean. So there's a little spray nozzle here. And just spray that on. Not spray it on until it's fully coated. I let it sit for a bit, maybe like 2 or 3 minutes while I go do something else. I let it sit for about 5 minutes while I went and swept the office floor. Let's go ahead and wet this pad some more and we're going to see where we are. As you can see, it is easily coming off now after the power wash has been sprayed. I would have never got that off without that power wash. If so, I would have had to let it soak for about an hour. I'm going to rinse it just a little bit so you can see. That's actually the coating that came off. So like I said, I'll have to go buy another pen because apparently it has lost the coating and it makes it harder to clean. But the Dawn Power Wash cleans it better than it would have if it just soaked in the sink.